Hello, welcome back. This is episode 2 of how to make stencils. If you haven't watched episode 1, go and watch it, it's in the top. This week we're going for 2-layered stencil, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Firstly, you'll need to make yourself a 1-layered stencil. Once you've made this, then you'll be able to make your second layer. Okay, so now you've made your first layer. From this, you can create your second layer. Then you'll need to add these little triangles. These are going to help you line up each layer. The next step is really simple. All you need is another piece of card and some spray paint, and all you do is simply spray your original stencil onto the bit of card, creating your second layer. Let me show you. Okay, so once you've done this, let the paint dry and you can start to cut out your second layer. When doing this, you want to aim to cut out the spots you think will look better with a bit of colour. A quick tip for when you're cutting out your stencils: never do straight lines. For some reason, wiggly lines always look better. Don't ask me why. Remember to cut out your triangles as close as possible to the originals so they line up perfectly. When this is all cut out, you're ready to paint. Remember to line up your triangles properly.